To another video. This video is following up from the area of a sector from yesterday. Hopefully you watched that first and you will understand what's going on here. This is a relatively difficult question. They're asking us to find the area of the shaded region given the radius of each of the circle is given as 4, 2, and 6 accordingly. So there's so much going on that we have to bear in mind. One of the first things we have to do is proving that this triangle is right angle triangle, in which case our life would be so much easier. So let's go and check if my assumption is correct. If ABC is a right angle triangle, then AC squared plus BC squared should be AB squared. Now I think that's a fair assumption to make. AC would be 4 plus 2, so that's 6 squared. BC would be 2 plus 6, which is 8 squared. And AB is 4 plus 6, which is 10 squared. We already know 6 squared plus 8 squared plus 10 squared is 100. Now, this is a massive step for us because now we know angle C is 90 degrees. Okay, then the next step for me is to find the value of angle A and angle B. So I'm going to say for angle CAB, which is in fact this guy, I can find out what is tan A. I'm going to go find B first. I have no particular reason. I just prefer to find B first. Okay, let's go and find B. So CBA. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to say tan B is equal to opposite, which is 6 over adjacent, which is 8, 3/4. If you are a bit of a maths geek like me, you would realize that B would be tan minus 1 over 3/4, and you would remember that to be somewhat around 37 degrees or 0.64 radians. I'm going to do this question in radians just for a change. So far we know angle C is pi over 2 radians, angle B is 0.64 radians, which makes angle A to be pi over 2 minus 0.64 radians, which is roughly, I don't have a calculator, so I have to do this in my head, 0.92 radians. Okay, we have all the information that we need. So I'm going to go and find the area of sector that is bounded by triangle, by the first circle. So that would be area, if you remember, was half r squared theta, which is half times 4 squared times theta, which is A, 0.92. And if you just multiply that, that's 8 times 0.9, which is roughly 7.41. Do check my calculation. So that's the area of the first red part. I'm going to go and shade the second one in my lovely bluish color. So the area of that blue bit is half again, 6 squared this time because it's 6 times theta, which if you remember was 0.64, and that gives me 18 times that, which is roughly 11.6. Again, feel free to check my calculations. I'm doing this without a calculator, which is not the best idea. And let's go color this pink. So that pink part, the area of the pink part is half 2 squared times pi over 2, which makes it 2 times pi over 2, which is actually pi, which is roughly 3.14. I want to find the area of the black or the shaded region, which is the area of the triangle ABC. and I'm going to find the area of triangle ABC. Actually, let's go straight into it. So I'm going to say area of shaded is area of the triangle ABC is just half times base times height minus 7.41 plus 3.14 plus 11.6. If you do that calculation, hopefully you would get roughly, again, that's 24 minus, if you add those guys up, you should get 10, 21, around 22.14, which is again 1.86 centimeter squared. Hope you're happy with this video. If you have any question, drop me a message, please. Thank you.